In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 5 ways you can cultivate gratitude in your life. Both gratitude and appreciation are 2 very powerful weapons that you can use to combat depression and anxiety. Consciously practicing gratitude can help to lift your mood, give you a more positive outlook, and make you feel more fulfilled. Here's how you can cultivate gratitude in your life every day. Journal every day. At the end of every day, spend a few moments jotting down the things that you are grateful for, even if it's just a few things. It is essential to spend time each day writing down what you are thankful for, or recalling your gratitude list in your head. While every day is not going to be good, writing down what you're grateful for can help to increase your energy and relieve pain and fatigue. Practice gratitude affirmations. While you may already be reciting affirmations that connect you with your major life's goals, it is worth adding in an affirmation that can help you cultivate gratitude in your life. You can design your statement to reflect specific things that help inspire gratitude, like your loved ones, health, talents, or financial stability. Thank people. There's a lot of power in expressing thanks, but you might want to work on communicating a more profound sense of gratitude towards those who have made a lasting impact on your life. Take some time to think about the people who have changed and shaped your life for the better, and think about some ways you can communicate your gratitude. Find the positive. When you have a few spare moments, sit down and try an exercise that helps to find the good in some of your life's most difficult moments. Write down 5 to 10 things that you appreciate most in your life. Then, next to each item, write down at least one difficulty that, had you not had to face it, would not have helped you appreciate the item more. Give back. Often, what inspires gratitude is the knowledge that you enjoy many basic things that others lack, like a safe place to stay and enough money to buy the stuff you need. When you think about this type of gratitude, why not do something to give back to the world? Volunteer your time or donate to your favorite charity, while making a point to reflect on the things that you take for granted. When you focus in on the things that make you happy and make you feel lucky to be alive, you radiate an infectious optimism that attracts only the best from the world around you.